Welcome to InvestoSphere, your trusted hub for turning everyday tools into income streams. If you've ever been told you have a nice voice, or if you've ever wondered whether your voice could actually make you money, you're in for something big today. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and low-barrier opportunities in the digital space right now. Making money using your voice with the help of voice AI. This isn't just about voiceovers. This is about how AI is transforming the world of audio and how you can ride the wave to financial success. From audiobooks to synthetic voice services, content narration, podcasting, language apps, and more, your voice is no longer limited by geography or even time. You can now turn your voice into a scalable digital asset. And in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how. So whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, freelancer, or just someone looking for a smart side hustle, this 4-hour guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Grab your headphones, maybe even a mic, and let's unlock the true power of your voice. Section 1. Understanding voice AI and the voice economy. What is voice AI? How the voice economy is growing in 2025. Why voice is the new video, emerging trends. How AI voice tech enables passive income. Voice AI myths versus reality. Section 2. Real-world opportunities to make money with your voice. Voiceovers for YouTube, explainer videos, ads. Audiobook narration for platforms like ACX and Finway Voices. Podcast creation and monetization. Voice acting for games, animations, and virtual assistants. Language learning platforms and pronunciation coaching. Customer support bots. Voice cloning with permission. Section 3. Essential tools you need to get started. Best budget and pro-level microphones. Free and paid recording software, Audacity, Adobe Audition, Descript. AI voice software, Murf.ai, ElevenLabs, Play.ht, Resemble.ai. Soundproofing on a budget. Script writing and editing tools. Section 4. How to train and optimize your voice. Vocal warm-ups and exercises. Tips for clarity, tone, pace, and emotion. Reducing background noise and improving quality. How to use AI to improve pronunciation and delivery. Creating different voice styles for different use cases. Section 5. Building a personal voice brand. Creating a voice portfolio/demo reel. Branding yourself on Fiverr, Upwork, Voices.com. Building a simple website or portfolio hub. Social proof, testimonials, samples, past clients. Networking with podcast hosts, authors, and video creators. Section 6. Monetizing voice AI without speaking. Using AI to clone your voice and license it legally. Selling voice packs to creators, brands, developers. Creating faceless content with your clone voice. Running multiple channels using synthetic voice. Ethics of voice cloning and how to protect yourself legally. Section 7. Advanced AI voice monetization strategies. Affiliate marketing with narrated content. Creating a course with AI voice narration. Building an AI-powered meditation app with your voice. Offering text-to-voice services for blogs or ebooks. Building a SaaS using AI voice tools for clients. Section 8. Passive income models with voice AI. Licensing your voice as a product. Automating narration for faceless YouTube channels. Selling voice NFTs or audio tokens. Partnering with AI startups for royalties. Using your voice in virtual avatars and metaverse projects. Section 9. Real success stories and what you can learn from them. Case studies. People earning 4 to 6 figures with voice. Platforms they used, strategies they followed. Mistakes they made, and how they adapted. Lessons on building consistency and reputation. How they scaled using automation and outsourcing. Section 10. Building and growing an audience with your voice. Launching a voice-first podcast. Using social media to promote your voice brand. Repurposing content across platforms. Leveraging YouTube and TikTok voice trends. Building an email list of loyal listeners. You've just explored the full roadmap to making money with your voice in 2025. This isn't about having a perfect voice. It's about being smart, consistent, and leveraging the incredible tools that are now available to all of us. Whether you choose to go all in with audiobook narration or want to explore passive income with AI-generated voices, the opportunity is real and it's only growing. Before you go, I want to ask you one simple but powerful question. What's stopping you from turning your voice into your most valuable income stream? Let me know in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. And if this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. The voice economy is booming. Make sure you're not just watching it happen. Be part of it. Stay smart, stay vocal, stay invested. InvestoSphere.